Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best KitchenAid Cookbook is probably one of the most valuable resources for any home cook. This cookbook is designed to help you make the most of your kitchen tools. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, this cookbook offers a wealth of recipes and techniques to elevate your cooking skills and create delicious meals with ease. Number 5. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Cookbook. This cookbook is filled with amazing recipes. It's designed to help you make the most of your stand mixer. From cakes to cookies, this book has it all. It simplifies the baking process, making it easier than ever. Expand your cooking skills with this guide. It offers a variety of recipes to try. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this book is for you. It provides clear instructions for everyone. Start creating delicious meals with this cookbook. It's a must-have for any kitchen. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide range of classic recipes. It's perfect for those new to cooking or looking for familiar favorites. If you are just starting out in the kitchen, this is a great place to begin. What people say. They have been both easy and create a pasta with nice texture. Awesome directions and so helpful when you're using your KitchenAid mixer. Many great recipes to try and good information for attachment usage for beginners. Number 4. KitchenAid Best Loved Recipes. Are you ready to explore the world of delicious recipes? This cookbook is filled with the most cherished recipes from KitchenAid. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss. Inside, you'll find a diverse range of recipes, from appetizers to desserts. This collection is perfect for both seasoned cooks and those new to the kitchen. It's a treasure trove of flavors. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. The book makes cooking a breeze, even for complex dishes. You'll be creating amazing meals in no time. KitchenAid is a name synonymous with quality and innovation. This cookbook reflects that commitment. It's a reliable resource for all your cooking adventures. Get ready to elevate your cooking with KitchenAid's best-loved recipes. It's the perfect companion for creating memorable meals. Grab your copy and start cooking today. What we like. This book features the best-loved recipes. It includes a variety of dishes, catering to different tastes. If you like exploring diverse cuisines and want tried-and-true recipes, you should consider this one. What people say. This cookbook has pictures for nearly every recipe, and the recipes are explained well. This book is full of great recipes, a great variety of different recipes, and all those that I have tried have been very good, and my family has enjoyed. This book is so much better, has pictures and good recipes. Number 3. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Cookbook. This cookbook is your key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. It's packed with recipes designed specifically for the KitchenAid stand mixer, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. Discover a wide array of recipes, from simple everyday meals to impressive desserts. The book guides you through each step, ensuring delicious results every time. Learn to utilize all the attachments and functions of your KitchenAid stand mixer. This cookbook will help you become a true master of your kitchen appliance. With this cookbook, you can elevate your cooking skills and impress your friends and family. It provides inspiration and guidance for every occasion. This cookbook is the perfect companion for your KitchenAid stand mixer. It's a must-have resource for anyone who loves to cook and bake. What we like. This cookbook is a complete guide to using your stand mixer. It provides detailed instructions and tips for various recipes. If you want to maximize the use of your stand mixer, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great recipes, for all palates. There are even vegetarian recipes. Most recipes have icons to let you know which attachments are required to make them. It's like KitchenAid for dummies and it's foolproof. The beginning of the book shows all available attachments, made at the time the book was published, and explains what each is best used for. Number 2. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Cookbook. This cookbook is filled with amazing recipes. It's designed to help you make the most of your KitchenAid stand mixer. From cakes to cookies, this book has it all. It provides step-by-step instructions to make baking simple and fun. Expand your cooking skills with this cookbook. It features a variety of recipes that will inspire you in the kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this book is for you. It offers tips and tricks to achieve perfect results. Start creating delicious meals with this cookbook. It's a must-have for any KitchenAid stand mixer owner. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide range of classic recipes. It's perfect for those new to cooking or looking for familiar favorites. If you are just starting out in the kitchen, this is a great place to begin. What people say. The cookbook is well organized and easy to follow. The recipes are clear and concise, with beautiful photographs. It includes a wide variety of recipes, from basic to more advanced. Number 1. KitchenAid Recipe Collection. Are you looking for new recipes? This collection provides a variety of options. It is designed to inspire your next culinary adventure. This collection offers recipes from different cuisines. It allows you to explore various flavors and cooking styles, making mealtime exciting. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. This makes it simple for cooks of all levels to create delicious meals. The recipes emphasize the use of high-quality ingredients. It ensures that every dish is flavorful and satisfying. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special celebration, this collection has something for every occasion. It helps you create memorable meals. What we like. This is a curated collection of recipes. It's designed to be easy to follow, making cooking a breeze. If you are looking for a streamlined cookbook with straightforward instructions, you should choose this one. What people say. Lots of very nice recipes. I have prepared a dozen recipes from this book and each has been wonderful. The recipes are simple and the results are delicious. A very concise recipe book to use with my KitchenAid mixer. So many good recipes and information. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.